Welcome to our comparison of two compact washing machines designed for small spaces. Today, we will look at the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Portable 2-in-1 Twin Tub. Both machines offer unique features and benefits, making them ideal for apartments, dorms, and RVs. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one suits your needs better. When it comes to price, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub is the more affordable option at $113, while the Portable 2-in-1 Twin Tub comes in at $149. If you're on a budget, the Super Deal may be the better choice, but let's see what features you're getting for that extra cost with the portable model. Next, we compare the washing capacities. The Super Deal has a washer capacity of 8 pounds, which is suitable for small loads. In contrast, the Portable 2-in-1 Twin Tub boasts a larger capacity of 22 pounds, making it ideal for bigger families or those who do laundry more frequently. This significant difference can greatly affect your laundry routine. Finally, let's discuss the features. The Super Deal offers basic functionality with a twin tub design, while the Portable 2-in-1 includes a drain pump and additional accessories like a drying rack. These features can enhance your washing experience, especially if you need more convenience and efficiency in your laundry tasks. In conclusion, both the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Portable 2-in-1 Twin Tub have their strengths. The Super Deal is perfect for those on a budget and with limited laundry needs, while the portable model offers more capacity and features for those who need to wash larger loads. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.